Hi guys, so this is a very quick first look video for Musical Fidelity A1000 clone that I got from Aliexpress for something like $500. I think it was actually a little less, but that was with shipping included. It's Class A amplifier, and as usual, let's take a look at the front, and you can see logo, you can see power button. The power button glows in blue. It doesn't look like the regular power buttons on every other amplifier that I've seen. It's slightly different. Let's take a look like that. And you can see the model number, SA1000. On the sides we have rather large cooling fins, and sorry about that, in the back we have one set of speaker binding posts, exactly the same type as in all other amps. Socket connector, so power socket connector with integrated fuse compartment, and one set of RCA inputs. The build is rather heavy. It's Class A, so it's consuming a lot of power. And if you've seen my short video on the temperature, it's rising up to 60, almost 60 degrees centigrade in the hottest areas. So, what do we have inside? Inside we have a full galore of power transistors. It's 8 per channel, meaning that these are 4 pairs, and we have 4 pairs for the other channel. We have quite nice German Wima capacitors. I will do a zoomed in session in a couple of seconds. And we have a couple of MKP Spirit capacitors. I don't know the brand, meaning I don't have any personal experience with it, but I've seen those sold separately on Aliexpress. We have quite nice set of resistors. We have Nova power bank capacitors, and there are 4 of them per channel. Each one of them is specified for 10,000 microfarads, meaning that we have 40,000 microfarads per each channel. I will rotate the amplifier again in a second, but you can see that we have 2 toroidal transformers. Each channel, each amplifier has its own toroidal transformer, and both of them are shielded nicely. And we can see the power switch in front. Let's rotate it again. Okay, so underneath the power section, because we have rectifiers over here, is a small board that has relays for speaker protection. The audio output signal goes to this board, then goes for relays to the speaker binding posts. The audio input signals are routed from RCAs along the border of the PCB to this input connectors here. This is obviously a single-ended amplifier, so just 2 pins for connecting input. Now let's zoom in and take a look at the details of the boards. Okay, so you can see the transistor types, you can see the spirit cap, and that's it. The boards are very simple, and obviously the second one looks exactly the same way. Yeah, so let's zoom in on the caps. Let's take a look at them. Yeah, 10,000 microfarads, each one of them, 4 of them. Not much to see in the back there. And the relays. And the relays for the speaker protection. And as you can see, the board has left in, ground, right in, and on the other side we have left out, ground, ground, and right out. So very simple build. It's going for a burn-in right now. As I said, it uses a lot of electricity. It works as a small oven because it's quite hot. And I haven't done the listening sessions yet, but the sound is very sweet. It's reminding me of tube amplifiers. Now, this one is supposedly the bigger brother of Musical Fidelity A1 clone, though I think the design here is not exactly the same, obviously. But this one is more powerful. As far as I remember, this one has 50 watts per channel, while MFA1 clone was something like 20 watts per channel. So that's all for now. Stay tuned for a full review. I will finish the burn-in and I will make serious listening sessions. I'll take my notes and I will record a video sharing with you how does it sound. So thanks for watching and see you soon.